No, bud.
I'm trying to get my Facebook on here.
How you getting your Facebook on there?
Because I put it on there. First, press this one right there, okay?
Okay.
And I'll press it.
Right.
Press it this way.
Press it. Is that your Facebook?
It's getting on my phone. It
Hmm.
calls someone. I call Mama and Papa all day long.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
And what else you do?
I get Facebook.
Yeah?
Yes, this is my Facebook right here. To draw it.
And where's your pictures at?
I don't my pictures under here. The under there because we don't need more pictures.
How much is your phone bill?
What?
How much is your phone bill a month?
I don't know.
Who pays your phone bill?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, you got a phone now, right?
Yeah.
Are you cool now?
Hey, Dad, you do, I guess. Do you go right here?
And that's your Facebook?
What? This is not a Facebook right there. It's Facebook right here.